Hi guys, in this video I'm showing you how I make this 3-piece wall clock that was inspired by a photo on Pinterest. I start with a foam board that I had already measured and marked, then I went on and cut the pieces out. I used these popsicle sticks to make Roman numbers for the clock. I kept aside the part that I cut out and started sticking the popsicle numbers on the 2 pieces to join them. I later realized that when I turned it to the upper side, the numbers were not correct, so I corrected it off camera. I then added more sticks to represent the numbers missing on the clock. To make it more firm, I added popsicle sticks all around. After that, I used some cut foam board strips to cover it all around for a clean finish. For the 2 pieces of the clock, I cut this piece of foam board that I had already measured and marked. Then I used these foam strips to make the design in the center, as you'll see here. I used the cut pieces of popsicles to hold the foam strips together. If you're new here to my channel, karibu sana. Here I share how to uplift the look of our homes on a budget, so if that is your type of content, please don't forget to subscribe. And for my lovely returning subscribers, thank you for always sticking with me and continuing to watch my videos. As I did on the other piece, I went all round with strips of foam board for a clean finish. I then spray painted it black, and this is how it turned out. For my viewers who like the minimal look, you can leave it as it is, but I had to add a little glam. So I went ahead and used this mirror reflective paper on the center and on the numbers. After I was done sticking them on, I took off the blue protective film. I did the same on the two side pieces. I made a hole at the center of the clock and started putting together the clock machine. This is the final look. I love it, and I tried changing the silver clock hands to black and it looked even better. Here is a side by side of my inspiration and my creation. Let me know if I nailed it in the comments section below. If you love the look of this, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please do, and let's get to 1,000 subscribers. Until my next video, stay blessed.